सब्सक्राइब कीजिए ध्येय आईएएस चैनल को और बेल आइकन को दबाइए लेटेस्ट वीडियो सबसे पहले देखने के लिए।
Previously, Kerala also adopted the Miyawaki method of afforestation so as to build new forests on government office premises, residential complexes, school premises, etc. In today's edition of our DNS, we will be talking about Miyawaki afforestation method and its benefits. The Miyawaki forest at Mansa Police Lines is coming up on 140 square yards. The Mansa Police is also planning to have 17 more Miyawaki forests at all police stations and police posts of the district in the upcoming 6 months. So what is the Miyawaki method? Miyawaki is a well-known Japanese technique through which dense forests are growing in small plots of lands, particularly in urban areas, in a relatively shorter period of time. Japanese botanist Akira Miyawaki pioneered the Miyawaki method of afforestation. This method helps to build dense and native forest. It involves planting native species in the same area that becomes maintenance-free after the first 3 years. This approach is supposed to ensure that plants grow 10 times faster and the resulting plantation is 30 times denser than usual. What is the method of planting? 3 to 5 saplings are planted per square meter area after the land is prepared by digging up to 3 feet. 2D, that is the stubble, and ruri, that is the cow dung, is mixed in soil before the dug up earth is filled back. This process makes the land softer and helps in faster growth of the roots of the plants. After plantation, earth is covered with a thick layer of stubble which acts as mulch and retains water for a longer period of time. In this particular technique, roots grow faster and horizontally, creating a net beneath the earth. There are a few characteristics of the Miyawaki principles of natural forest. There is no defined spacing between the plants. Soil enrichment must be done before taking up the plantation. Supplementation of the site by seed dibbing of native species. Watering to be done at least up to the next rainy season after planting. Mulching is important and to be done regularly so as to suppress weed and prevent evaporation. No existing tree in the area should be removed while the process of soil enrichment. Huge crown developing tree species like ficus should be avoided. Seedling or saplings of all sizes can be planted to give the plantation a 3-tier look of a natural forest. Now let us know about the benefits of the Miyawaki method. The Miyawaki method is unique as it has proven to the worldwide irrespective. The Miyawaki method is unique as it has proven to work worldwide irrespective of soil and climate conditions. This technique allows young shoots to stimulate and compete with each other and thus grow faster. The forests ensure 30 times higher density, and this allows a greater quantity of CO2 to be absorbed. Mulching of land ensures that it is protected from weeds, erosions, and droughts. During the rainy season, not a single drop of water evaporates because of the density. Since it's naturally conserving rainwater, the groundwater table also rises. It helps to increase the green cover of the area, especially in congested Indian cities. Jungles get ready in 20 to 30 years against the conventional jungle, which grows in 200 to 3 years of time. It also acts as live seed banks of rare native species, invites local insects, birds, and biodiversity, and helps in regeneration of local flora and fauna.